Hello, Namaste, and thank you for stopping by. I'm Ishani from Quillish, and my favorite time of the year is here. Firstly, let me wish you a very happy Diwali and welcome you to our Diwali hop. Few of us card makers with some lovely companies have got together to make this festival season brighter and happier, not just for us crafters, but also for the people who are responsible for making this day possible, our dear soldiers. And who would be prouder than a third generation soldier who has herself served the nation? Yes, I'm talking about myself. But now, as a crafter, we got together and sent our brothers and sisters who are away from their family on Diwali some handmade Diwali cards. And this blog hop got me so emotional, I thought I'll share a few pictures of mine in uniform with my NCC instructors and the officers I served with. Coming back to the hop, we want to thank all the lovely sponsors who've joined us in spreading joy and love this Diwali season. Thank you all. And since we don't start anything without invoking Lord Ganesha, here's my Diwali card with our beloved Ganesh ji. I have used various techniques in this card including stenciling, die cutting and background with alcohol inks. Hope you'll enjoy the process. One of our kind sponsors are Craft Angles, and as a part of Craft Angles design team, I thought let me feature their products for my Diwali card. I'm using alcohol ink paper by Craft Angles, glimmer paste in gold dust, alcohol inks, a 6x6 stencil called Small Ganesha, Diwali sentiment stamp set, and vellum paper. All the products that I'll be using will be linked in the description box below the video. I'm taking the alcohol ink paper, and this paper has two types of sides. One is a smooth side and the other has a matte finish. So the side which is not as shiny as the other is the matte side. See, this has a sheen to it. So this is the smooth side, and this is what we'll use for today's project. I'm using 3 colors of alcohol inks by Ranger, and I start with dropping some watermelon alcohol ink on the smooth side of the paper. And as I'm going for a bokeh look, I don't want the inks to move much. I've put some drops of watermelon, and then I take sunset orange and sunshine yellow and just drop the drops on the paper. I have decided not to overwork this alcohol ink panel. This technique gets so interesting that you just get carried away and there's so much of ink on the paper. So I keep going through the panel and fill in the gaps which I see, and also use my alcohol blending solution to give those halos. And for the smaller halos, I'm using a brush and some alcohol blending solution on the tip of the brush to get small halos for that bokeh effect. Now coming to the stenciling, I take natural white paper by Craft Angles, and I'm using glimmer paste in gold dust. And after securing the stencil with the washi tape, I apply the paste with the help of spatula. Then I let it dry, and after it's dried, I cut around the glimmer paste, and with Nuvo drops I make 2 eyes. Here I have cut a scallop circle from the vellum paper, which would be the base for my Ganesh ji, and with some glue I adhere him. Now I'm getting to the base of my card, for which I take ruby red cardstock by Craft Angles, and I'm going to use faded diamond stencil upside down for stenciling the gold dust glimmer paste over it. I take out the stencil and then let it dry. For the sentiment, I'm taking a canary yellow cardstock by Craft Angles and stamping Shubh Deepavali from the stamp set Diwali Sentiments with the black ink, and then I'll die cut it. Now for assembling the card, I cut canary yellow paper just 1/16 size more than the alcohol panel which I have cut. And now I will adhere the yellow and the alcohol ink panel together with glue and mount it with foam tape on the faded diamond stencil card base. I take the scallop circle with Ganeshi and the sentiment to see how I will position them. And with the help of foam dots, I adhere them onto my alcohol ink bouquet effect background. So here is a card dedicated to our soldiers who are guarding our nation so that we all can celebrate Diwali with our families. To know more about the hop, please check the description box below and check out my previous Diwali cards up here. If you like this video, please let me know by clicking the thumbs up and also to subscribe to my channel. That would be a lovely Diwali gift for me. If you would like to know more, please do comment and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching and have a very happy and a safe Diwali.